having a legal framework. Now, beyond the legal framework, there should be an operational structure, operational guideline, which I believe that the commission in charge for implementation of this law will take care of. And what are those things? There should be a database, of course, that of course it is accommodated in the law, that we register everybody, both the boy, the one boy, and the oga. And beyond that, there should be a training and a retraining, both for the ogas and the one boy, to accommodate other enterprises aside from buying and selling or rendering services, this transport service and so on and so forth. So there's an expansion, there's a need to expand the scope of operation so that to accommodate the trending sectors. For instance, the ICT and so on, even the agribusiness that is going on, there is, my thought has always been that if we can, if it could work on trade and commerce, it could also work if we put up a very robust operational guideline that will oversee some of those things. So it is not just expansion, it is about innovation, and it is about creating a system that will make it work. And of course, creating an incentive that will make it work. I've advocated, one of the things I think that the bill did not capture is an insurance scheme. I advocated that from the day go, the organ should be able to contribute to a fund, a trust fund, so that if something happened and then the oga was unable to settle the one boy, anything can happen. The oga can die, the business can collapse. Instead of sending that one boy home empty-handed, then he can bounce back to that insurance scheme and then make. So when we have that scheme already in place, it will motivate people. And beyond the insurance scheme also, I also expect that the commission should come up with post-training activities. They should be certified. When I complete 6 years, 7 years, as the case may be, as the law provides, as the maximum year, at the end of the day, the commission should be able to certify me as someone who has done this. And with that certification, it should be recognized and should be a base that I can access credit to augment whatever my boss has given to me. So these are some of the things we could put in place. Once we do that, and then average young man knows that he is going to be trained, he is going to have a market share allocated to him, he's going to have capital to start up, there is an insurance to cover up, there is a certification which he possesses, which will guarantee his access to credit, not minding asking him to provide collateral, which of course he may not have the capacity to provide. These are things we will put up, and then it will motivate young people getting into the scheme and then bringing it back. And also, by the time we do wider consultation, we begin to integrate other components of entrepreneurship into it. There are the ICT tech enterprise can accommodate it. I have a model that I am working with 1 or 2 organizations on how to accommodate Igbo apprentice system in technology, in this and so on. So these are the things we need to do. Expansion, and when we do that, we will see that we will create more wealth, empower more people, and create more employment for our teeming youths.
All right, thank you so much, Mr. Lawrence. Now, the law also says